So student, today I am going to discuss about the transport in plant. Transport may be for the short distances and for the long distances as well. Transportation needed some special type of the processes in plant. The first one is diffusion. When we talk about the diffusion is the process, the movement of the gases from the higher concentration towards the lower concentration. Just come to the point, osmosis. Osmosis is also the process of transport of the water from a higher concentration towards the lower concentration, but it is through the semi-permeable membrane. So today I am going to discuss some important terminology for the chapter, that is transport in plant. And the first one I am going to discuss is diffusion. So I am writing over there diffusion, the first one, diffusion. I have already told you the random movement of molecule, they may be ions as well, of any substance. This is not restricted. Any substance from the region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. कब तक होता रहेगा? For how much time it will take? Until the equilibrium is reached. Until the equilibrium is reached. The diffusion will take place until the equilibrium is reached. And the second one is osmosis. Number 2, osmosis. Here the movement of water. Water means having the mineral and salts, okay, dissolved in this. So movement of water from higher concentration to lower concentration through the main point, through the semi-permeable membrane. Or you can say selectively permeable membrane. So what does it mean by the selectively permeable membrane? Actually the membranes of some cells are restricted to allow some particular type of the substances from the membrane, through the membrane, across the membrane. So they are called as the selectively permeable membrane. Student, one more thing you have to know about the next definition, that is transpiration. Third one is transpiration. Actually, the tree or plant is absorbing the water throughout from the soil. It must be removed now. So the loss of water from the aerial part of the plant is called transpiration. Okay? You can write over there. This is the loss of water in the form of what? Ice or water vapor? Yes, water vapor from the root or aerial part. Okay, aerial parts of the plant. So student, when the sap from the soil, sap means the solution of any kind, that may be water. When ascent of sap is taking place, then there is three types of the forces acting over there. First one is the cohesion. Cohesion means the force of attraction between the same kind, and second one is the adhesion. Adhesion forces means the attraction between molecule of the different kind. For example, we are using the adhesive. Adhesive means gums. तो जब gums को use करते हैं तो gum से gum चिपकाया जाता है या gum से paper? Yes, gum and paper. So this is adhesive. Cohesion means same type. Okay. So the next topic is cohesion. Fourth one is cohesion. COHESION. It is the attraction between, अब तो clear हो गया. It is the attraction between molecules of different या same? Yes, different types. And fifth one is the adhesion. ADHESION force. It is the attraction between molecules of addition is for different type, I'm sorry, of different type. And in case of this one, it is of same type, same and different. Then water and water molecule are together and they are ascending in the xylem. Then which force is working over here? Can you please tell me? They are the same type, so this is cohesion. Then water and a mineral, and the water and the force of the xylem wall, these are the different. So different type means addition force is there. Okay.